Hello, welcome to the Up Oxide Auto channel. Stay tuned for exciting updates and insights. The Ford Mustang Mach-E is an all-electric SUV that redefines the legendary Mustang name for the modern era. Introduced as Ford's bold step into the EV market, the Mach-E blends performance, technology, and practicality with the unmistakable Mustang spirit. Available in multiple trims, including the high-performance GT and GT Performance Edition, it delivers up to 480 horsepower and 634 pound-feet of torque, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 3.5 seconds. With a range of up to 312 miles on a full charge, the Mach-E ensures long-distance capability without sacrificing excitement. Its sleek design, aggressive front grille, and signature tri-bar taillights pay homage to the classic Mustang, while the spacious interior boasts a 15.5-inch touchscreen, advanced driver assist features, and premium materials. As Ford continues its push toward electrification, the Mach-E stands as a testament to innovation, offering zero emissions, exhilarating performance, and iconic styling. Whether for daily commutes or spirited drives, this electric Mustang proves that sustainability and power can go hand in hand.